Why automate your credit card payments?
Missing a credit card payment can hurt your credit score and rack up costly fees. Setting up automatic payments means your bills are always paid on time. This important step can protect your credit, reduce stress, and ensure you don't miss deadlines. Automation is a simple but powerful way to stay on top of your financial responsibilities and build better credit habits.
Types of automatic payments explained.
Most credit cards let you automate payments for the minimum due, the full balance, or a chosen custom amount. Paying the minimum helps avoid late fees, but may lead to interest charges. Paying the full balance every month prevents interest and keeps your credit utilization low. This is great for your credit score and financial health.
How to set up automatic payments.
Go to your credit card issuer's website or app and log into your account. Look for the option to set up automatic or recurring payments. Choose whether you want to pay the minimum, full balance, or a specific amount. Add your bank account details, select your preferred date, and confirm your settings. Review everything carefully to avoid mistakes.
Best practices for safer automation.
Regularly check your bank account to ensure there's enough money for your scheduled payments. Monitor your statements for unauthorized charges or errors, even with automation in place. Update your payment details if your bank information changes. Consider setting up payment alerts or reminders so you always know when money will be withdrawn.
Automatic payments. Benefits for your credit score.
Automated payments can help you avoid late payments, which are a major factor in your credit score. Consistently paying on time shows lenders you're reliable. Paying your full balance can also improve your credit utilization ratio, another important score factor. By automating wisely, you're taking control of your financial future and building better credit effortlessly.